Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download Instagram on a Windows laptop. So guys, if you are using Instagram on your mobile and also you want to use Instagram on your desktop or laptop, so just open store. It's like Google Play Store. You can download any application on your and Windows device. So open Microsoft Store, search here and open it. And once you open here, you need to search Instagram. Here click on this Instagram application. Now here click on install, and once this installing process complete, sign in with your Instagram ID and password. So this is the basic and simple way you can download, install and use Instagram on Windows 11. Open store and search here Instagram, then install it. If you see this option, this app requires the latest version of Microsoft Edge. So update your Microsoft Edge. To update any application on store, click on this library and here search Microsoft Edge, or just guys click on this option update all. So all applications on your system will be up to date. And after then again try this Instagram to installation. So thanks for watching. Still you are facing problem error, so comment, I will reply and I will resolve it. Thanks for watching.